Hello everyone, please enjoy with me in this video. There are many places you can visit and enjoy a leisure romantic time. Below are some of the most romantic places to visit in Maldives when you're on honeymoon tours. Number 1. Bioluminescent Beach. Visiting the very famous bioluminescent beach on Bodu Island is a must for you when in Maldives. Witness this beautiful sea of stars, popularly known as the glowing beach. You will be mesmerized to witness such a view with your loved one. Number 2. Male City. Visit the Male City and just roam on the streets, hand in hand with your partner. Try out the authentic Maldivian cuisine, watching beautiful sunsets on the local beaches. This will indeed be a romantic and relaxing experience for you. Number 3. Artificial Beach. This man-made beach is a must-visit spot for all the young-hearted and lively-spirited people. Visit here with your partner and have a chance to spot sharks. Walk around to the nearest places: Manta Point, Massimo Thila, and Coney Corner. Number 4. Mafushi Island. Mafushi is a beautiful and famous place to miss out on when in Maldives. The pristine waters, majestic beaches, and beautiful landscapes in Mafushi attract honeymoon couples the most. You can also try a variety of adventure sports here or just enjoy leisure time with your partner. Number 5. Hulhumail Island. This island is considered the most romantic place one can visit in Maldives on their honeymoon trip. Enjoy the beautiful, magnificent views of the beach. Have a romantic candlelight dinner on the beachside. And capture some romantic moments to cherish for life. Number 6. Coco Island. Enjoy a romantic day or evening in the most romantic water villas and resorts in Coco Island. Take long walks on the soothing white sand beaches with your partner and enjoy the romantic moment. Number 7. Hithi Beach. This is a famous beach on the Ba Atoll Island, popular among the honeymooners for relaxing and enjoying their leisure time. It is one of the best food spots too, as there are many private cafes offering different cuisines. End your day by taking a stroll on this beautiful beach, witnessing the soothing sunset. Number 8. Kurumba Beach. Kurumba Beach is a very popular romantic destination among the newly wedded couples in Maldives. You can take yoga and spa sessions on this vibrant beach. Try romantic lunch and dinner with continental, Indian and local Maldivian cuisine. We have a wide range of Maldives honeymoon packages that cover your sightseeing, transfers and stay. Not only this, you're free to customize Maldives honeymoon packages as per your travel preferences. Thank for watching, subscribe, like and share. Wait the next video.